welcome back to my channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about insurance. What is insurance? Identity is the process of any insurance cover a specific geographic area. Responding because of the record of loss, legal motivation involves discrimination. Racial profiling in has a long history in the property insurance industry from the United States. From a review of the underwriting and marketing materials according to comment errors the government agency, industry and economic groups and academic square and quality of the effect policy practice of the insurance industry. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission FTC laws are representing the result of this study concerning credit-based insurance record and automobile insurance. This study found that innovative practices of rights. It also saw the African Americans and Hispanics are substantially covered in the lowest credit score, also leading further in their highest, while Caucasians and normally equally scored because of the score. The credit score will also found the predicted the rate of the identity growth. And in the FTC to include the purchasing score models and rules special for identity. The FTC includes little data was available to evaluate benefit of insurance score to customers. The report was developed by the Office of the Insurance Federation of America, the National Fair Housing Alliance, the National Consumer Law Center, and the Center of the Economic Justice for laying on the rapid by the insurance industry. After the provision of the derives insurance law, the derives practice, the private also discrimination often covering and something wrong to making insurance available. In determining premium and premium risk structure, insurance consider multiple factors considerations, credit score, tender operation, material status, and education level. However, the use of those factors is often considered to be unfair or discrimination on the relation against the practice has in some instances. Only the political discourse about the ways in the which insurance determine premium and policy information to limit the factor use. And insurance underwriter is job and fall on the difference on the legal that loss will assure. Any factor that is called as greater level of loss of the theoretical be charged by the right. The basis influence of the insurance must be followed of the insurer. Common alternative on solvent, this discrimination does against unaccounted for treatment of potential insurance in drastic inflation and premium setting for ministry be product of the fundamental of insurance underwriting. For insurance against shareholder people significant higher premium than the charge younger people from their life insurance. Other people are those relatively different from younger people. Discrimination is mass discrimination also. The rationale for the treatment goes to the heart of the right. The life insurance tax other people are likely due to surrender than you people, so the rise of the loss for the insurance that together and the difference of the time and therefore the rise premium must be higher to cover the greater rise. However, that is not different beyond the naturally sound result for the is not discrimination. New insurance product cannot be protected from getting the physical function in the United States. As an example of a new insurance product, this application of users based on the insurance, a relative division as the indemnity was all permanently about the US of the insurance company. An independent investor are the favor of branding of the insurance product, send out to give protection from the company, but to bring the new insurance product to market. Independent investor accounting 70% of the new US version will come from this area. Many insurance attention are eligible to operating insurance project because it requires a new rights for them. The Harvard Insurance Company, for example, has to pay $80 million on the independent investor income service in order to settle abandoned information on their authorized class lawsuit for a type of coverage on the life insurance product if other payment in bankrupt. There are currently about 150 new patents applications of insurance investment federal including this under the business of the insurance study from ENCC in the 22 Okay guys, this is today's discussion about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time.